Brought our 1967 275 GTB 4-cam alloy car. Produced.
Something that's interesting, the technical.
1963 Corvette Stingray with a 427 63. Please tell me this is your car. First of all, it's a split window. God, it's everybody's dream, a Corvette owner's dream.
Exactly.
But the fact that Junior Johnson drove this car
He did.
in NASCAR
In NASCAR.
in the 60s,
In the 60s.
and the
So this was an experiment. The whole car was an experiment. They'd never built a 427 before. So they had to start something. They dubbed this engine the mystery motor. And the point was that nobody knew it existed. No fans in the stand. Nobody knew anything about GM having a 427. So that they would think that it's a fuel-injected 327.
oh, so that was to fool people.
It was to fool people.
Really, back then.
Very.
When they came out with the 427, didn't they underrate the
Motor. There was a dyno sheet in the box when I opened. This car did extremely well. It's built exactly like Junior Johnson's Holly Farms Chevrolet Impala was made. 6-point roll cage in this car. The aluminum, there's no hardware in the doors. They used plexiglass for the windows. In keeping everything light and trying to reduce aerodynamic drag, they put in some very special taillights. They took away trapping air.
No way.
When I start a restoration, I don't drill any holes and I don't fill any holes. The hole was there.